Namaskar. India Meteorological Department brings you daily weather briefing. In this daily weather briefing, if we look into monsoon activity during past 24 hours, then as we know that there was a well-marked low pressure area over northwest Bay of Bengal. This well-marked low pressure area concentrated into a depression at 17:30 hours IST of yesterday, and it further concentrated into a deep depression at 5:30 hours IST of today. So under the influence of this depression, 22 centimeter of Odisha, 22 stations of Odisha has experienced more than 20 centimeter rainfall. 26 stations have experienced between 12 to 20 centimeter of rainfall, and 25 stations of Odisha have experienced between 7 to 11 centimeter of rainfall. So heavy to very heavy rainfall at many places and extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places has been reported over Odisha during 8:30 hours IST of yesterday to 8:30 hours IST of today. Except this, very heavy rainfall has been reported over Gujarat state, over North Konkan, and over North Madhya Maharashtra. So under this scenario, under this rainfall scenario, vigorous monsoon activity has been observed over Odisha, over Gujarat state, over Konkan, over and over Kerala. So in this India map, we can see that except 6 to 7 subdivisions, all other subdivisions are either having normal monsoon activity or more than normal, that is active to vigorous monsoon activity. So if we come over to synoptic situation, then we can see that the yesterday's well-marked low pressure area today lies as a deep depression over north coastal Odisha, and it is very likely to move westwards across North Odisha and North Chhattisgarh and northern parts of Madhya Pradesh during next 48 hours. And also it is since it has come over land, so it is very likely to weaken into a depression during next 24 hours. So, and yesterday's low pressure area over southwest Rajasthan today lies over South Gujarat region and neighborhood. Although this low pressure area is very likely to become less marked by tomorrow, and the monsoon trough is extending between these two systems, and although the low pressure area would become less marked by tomorrow, but the monsoon trough would continue to remain south of its normal position, would continue to remain running between Gujarat and this depression, which is very likely to move across North Chhattisgarh and northern parts of Madhya Pradesh during next 48 hours. So if we look into warning conditions, so we can see that today we have again continued yesterday's warning over Odisha. That is heavy to very heavy rainfall at a few places, with extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places, and heavy to very heavy rainfall with extremely heavy falls at isolated places for Chhattisgarh. And this extremely heavy rainfall warning at isolated places is also continued for Gujarat state, and also for Palghar district of North Konkan, extremely heavy rainfall warning is there. But for rest of the Konkan and for Madhya Maharashtra, the heavy rainfall warning is only heavy to very heavy rainfall. And as far as Odisha is concerned, so we can see here that the districts Bargarh, Sambalpur, Devgarh, Angul, and Sonpur districts are given in red color warning, and other districts adjoining to these are given in orange color warning. So for district specific warning, we can refer to the MC Bhubaneswar Meteorological Center Bhubaneswar's web page. If we again come back to All India warning, then we can see here that for tomorrow, the under the influence of this system, heavy to very heavy rainfall warning is given for Madhya Pradesh and for Gujarat state and for northern parts of Konkan and northern parts of Madhya Maharashtra. And day after tomorrow, that is on 15th of September, there is extremely heavy rainfall warning for West Madhya Pradesh and for Gujarat state. And heavy to very heavy rainfall warning is there for East Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, and only heavy rainfall warning is there for Konkan. And on day 4, the as this system will move quite westwards and will weaken further, so only heavy to very heavy rainfall warning is there for East Rajasthan and for Saurashtra and Kutch, and there is heavy rainfall warning for West Rajasthan and for Gujarat region. And on 17th, this system will be quite to the west, maybe over southwest Rajasthan neighborhood, and just as a low pressure area. So there is heavy rainfall warning for only for West Rajasthan and Saurashtra and Kutch. And during next 5 days, this will be our main warning zone, beginning from Odisha and ending up to Saurashtra and Kutch. And as far as North India is concerned and South India, Northeast India is concerned, so there is no any intense spell likely over these regions. Although isolated heavy rainfall warning for at just one or two places is there for South India, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu for next 2 days on 13th and 14th. And as this system moves west north westwards, so on 15th and 16th, there is a heavy rainfall warning for southern parts of Haryana. And under the influence of that, Delhi may also receive moderate rainfall, that is up to 4 to 5 centimeter of rainfall during 15th and 16th of September. And today also there is a heavy rainfall possibility over southern parts of Haryana, and we can see that already thunderstorm activity is going on over Delhi, and so over Delhi also rainfall up to measuring up to 2 to 3 centimeter may be received during next 24 hours. And for Uttarakhand, there is a heavy rainfall warning during next 2 3 days with fairly widespread to widespread light to moderate rainfall. So we are continuously keeping this deep depression under our watch, and we will continue be updating this. Please follow us on our website and on our apps, Mosam app, Damini app, and Meghdut app. Tomorrow we will again meet with the weather warning for next 5 days. Till then, thank you and goodbye.